Gladney, what's this nonsense you pulled me out the office for? What's going on?
Yes, sir. I actually got an email from engineering. They wanted me to go over some specs for the Canon M50 that's about to release. They said that they have the 4K on, but you said don't change anything, don't fix it, don't add any of the dual pixel autofocus. Are you sure about that?
Oh no, that's right.
So no dual pixel autofocus at all, no, not even the hybrid system? You just want to keep it at contrast?
No, don't fix anything. Leave it. Yeah, leave it.
Right, so they said you don't want to fix any of it.
They wanted 4K? We're gonna give them 4K. Just not the kind they think. Can't put all your eggs in one basket. Those stupid YouTubers testing metrics, telling us what to do. We are Canon, okay? Remember,
Right.
you wear the I am hat, okay? We are Canon.
So don't fix the dual pixel, not even hybrid?
They don't tell us. We tell them.
Autofocus? Like,
No, don't fix any of it. Those stupid YouTubers think they know everything.
contrast autofocus.
Listen, Gladney, you've worked around here as long as I have. You know we don't do anything that they want. At least not all the time. Like 5 years later, at least.
Right, sir. Right.
All right, Gladney, I'll see you in the break room for coffee.
Thank you, sir.
You kids, giving them everything they want. Who do you think we are, Sony?
Well, glad my new job starts on Monday. Oh, yeah.